Hello turbine fans, I'm Sophie Belanger. Now buckle up because today we're unboxing 4 filters, fresh from a CamLab on a gas turbine site. What's a CamLab, you ask? It's a mobile lab that's set up at your site for 6 to 12 months so that you can compare filter performance based on actual site conditions. During the CamLab test, we noticed difference in pressure drop and efficiency levels among the filters. So it's time to validate these results. All right, let's put these bad boys in the ring. Validation testing is carried out before and after each CamLab test. We're looking for filters with the highest possible efficiency and lowest pressure drop, not only initial, but over time for a long filter life. So, how does these filters hold up after 6 months? Let's look at the data. The efficiency result confirmed 2 filters were classified as T8, one was T9, and one was a HEPA filter with T10 efficiency. Generally, higher efficiency means better protection against compressor fouling, which we know leads to higher fuel consumption and lower power output. But what about lifetime? Wouldn't HEPA filters have shorter life? Actually, in this case, the highest pressure drop was the lower efficiency filter, one of the T8. We also noticed that T8 was reacting most with humidity and precipitation. Surprising, isn't it? Let's take a closer look. Let's look into the filter design. First off, the T10 filter structure looks unconventional. While the other 3 filters are traditionally circular, the T10 stands out as a pyramid, giving more space to pack in more media. Now, dry particulate efficiency is one thing, but in the GT world, filters are challenged by the elements, and rain brings its own set of problems. When filters get wet, the dust caught on them might dissolve and be carried over to the clean side. So hydrophobicity is as crucial as efficiency. So are these filters water resistant? So we're back to the rig. Under the UV light, we can see whether there was any water bypass. 3 out of the 4 filters started leaking respectively at 7.5, 12, and 35 minutes. Moreover, filter C started pouring water at 51 minutes. Literally dirty bath water straight into your turbine. That's not the type of water wash your gas turbine asks for. But one filter, filter D, there is not a drop of leaking water in sight. So, if it was me, I know which filter I'd pick. The one filter that had the highest HEPA efficiency, low DP, and hydrophobicity. Which one would you choose? Thanks for watching and see you next time.